Pinpoint asteroids in orbit, then hurl y'all thousands of miles an hour towards it.
What's up, Earthlings? So after almost a year, I was finally able to return to my favorite observation point. Well, almost the same place. This time, I brought a new toy, an auto level. The spot that I normally go to is still blocked off, so I picked another spot, I'd say about 3/4 of a mile closer and 6 feet higher. So the elevation now is about 14 feet. Setting up an auto level isn't really that hard at all. It took me about 5 minutes to figure it out. Just make sure your tripod is properly secured to the surface you're working on. Attach the auto level to the tripod via a small bolt underneath the base. Then use the 3 knobs to adjust the level and get the bubble in the center of the circle. And that's pretty much it. The other 2 knobs are just for focus and left to right movement. Now I'm sure a lot more goes into it when you're taking actual measurements.
That is not your daddy's shotgun, cowboy!
And I'm definitely not a surveyor. But the basic operation is pretty straightforward. Shout out to Larry GPS, George, and the main surveyor. Now the way I understand it, on a flat earth, everything that intersects with the crosshairs is 14 feet above the water. But it seems like the crosshairs are actually hitting well above 14 feet on the building. I'd say the crosshairs are hitting somewhere about 60 to 75 feet on the building, judging from these photos. Now I have asked Bev and Rakia if an auto level creates a horizontal plane. They both say yes, but when I showed them these pictures, the response I immediately got from Bev and Rakia was, "You're not using it correctly. What distance is it rated for? Did you use a story pole? Is it calibrated?" You know, just to try and downplay the results that I got. Well, luckily, this young gentleman was able to recalibrate the auto level since the claim was made that it wasn't calibrated at all. As if the presence of a calibration sticker or a story pole, which is just a long wooden ruler, would somehow change the results. So now that the auto level is recalibrated, let's see if the results have changed at all. And what do you know? The results still haven't changed. It looks like the crosshairs are still hitting in the same exact place they were the last time. So let's see what excuses the flat earthers will come up with next. Once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you like this video, and check out the rest of my videos if you're interested. And as always, peace.
Pinpoint asteroids in orbit, then hurl y'all thousands of miles an hour towards it.